How to check Costco Citi Card statement online. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the video. For this, you have to go ahead and search for citi.com on your preferred browser, on a PC or on your mobile device. You will be redirected to the official webpage of Citi. To log in, enter your username and your password, then tap on Remember Username, then tap on Sign On. If you are new to it, select Register. Select Activate to activate your credit card. If you have forgotten your user ID, just tap on Forgot User ID option. Now in here, you can add your ATM card or debit card number. Select your bank account type, then tap on Continue. Anyways, once you are logged into your account, you will find an interface something like this, where it will state you your current balance and your last statement balance. Now to check for your statements online, at the bottom of your current balance, you will see the option of View Statement. You just have to go ahead and tap on View Statement and it will be listed according to the date and month. If you want to download the statement, you can easily download it by tapping on the download arrow option or just tap on the three dot icon next to it and select the download option, or even print out the statement if you want to. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.